Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Babydoge coin, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Babydoge coin. Babydoge coin holders. It is a last chance to be a millionaire, guys. So never miss this chance, guys. It's already a profitable chance for all of you guys. It's time to make a huge profit. It's time to make yourself a rich, guys. Anyways, in this video we are shortly talking about Babydoge coin price prediction, so keep watch this video complete. But guys, if you are new here, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. Now guys, if we talk about the current price of Babydoge coin in the market, so you can see here the current price of Babydoge coin is about 0.00000202 USD dollar. That is the current price of Babydoge coin. Furthermore, if we talk about the changes update on Babydoge coin, so 22.10%. Wow. So guys, that's clear that you are the future millionaire from these positive changes. 22% the price increase. Wow, unbelievable, guys. That's really great news. You know what, after watching these changes, after watching this update, I'm feeling very happy and I'm feeling very unbelievable, guys. I can't believe. Let me show you more details about Babydoge coin, guys. That is why I'm telling you that it is the last chance to be a millionaire, guys. So you know what, now that's clear, everybody can easily understand that it's only buying time. Trading volume is also going to increase. A lot of people are mostly buying Babydoge coin because from last 7 days it is in trending in the market. From last 7 days people are investing, people are trading more and more in the Babydoge coin, guys. That's why in the result you can see 22.86% the price pumps in just 24 hours. The Babydoge coin price increase 22% just in last 24 hours, guys. So that's clear, guys. The future of Babydoge coin is very bright, very bright, unbelievable, guys. And maybe if the next event of Babydoge coin is come, so you are the future millionaire, guys. Anyways, the now on the basis of this update, I suggest for all of you guys that it's holding time, and it's also buying time, guys. I recommend only buying or holding. Selling is not a time. Anyways, what you think about Babydoge coin is, what you think that what is it a good time to buy, sell, or hold? Just tell me your opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.